comments.
No, we always do the intercom.
Hello and Merry Christmas.
And then if I want to talk to Leah, when I get up,
Whatever
I
you
just
celebrate.
Oh, that's good.
But Glenn's is too small.
What did Patty say about her necklace?
She loved it.
I told her she
And,
would. I didn't tell her what it was, but I said you're gonna
I'm
like
gonna
it.
sit down.
And
Whatever you celebrate, make it fun.
she said she loved it.
And
I just got her makeup.
stuff.
You know, and
I hope you had a Merry Christmas, and I'm gonna do a photo shoot video.
And Glenn's, I got him a large. I thought he was a large. I didn't think he was an extra large.
Yeah.
And so I said, well, just tell him
I'll
that
show you
we're giving him.
stuff.
I thought it.
Julie has on the sweetheart pajamas.
I said I will. Shannon said send him up to all of us.
Me and her are matching.
Yeah, she's there. She found an apartment.
Even our hair.
A house to live in. She bought a car. Okay.
Okay. And then I
I'm
have.
gonna go check my my telephone. I checked my email, but there was no message from Todd.
Molly's
so I couldn't get my
dress.
cell phone, because Patty said she got one from Ryan and Todd.
Okay, and that's Molly's dress.
On the computer?
Yeah, the computer. I didn't get nothing.
And
Text message. So I'm gonna go look.
Oh, must
check
be
my
your
phone.
phone.
this
Yeah.
is
Todd knows better. He knows to do my email.
a sweater.
I don't have my phone.
Oh my gosh, that looks so
I'm gonna
weird.
go check my phone
And
now.
then this, it's gonna
I'm
be
sure I got
in
one
the
from
New
Jan.
Year's Eve. I mean,
Liel's
New Year's
ex-wife
fun.
always sends me one.
I keep trying to say New Year's
You
Eve
started
party, and because I might change it to that, or maybe New Year's Eve or New Year's party, or something like that. If you have a better name, comment it, because it won't be posted until a couple days, or maybe even today. Probably today. Yeah, probably today. What am I doing? Whee. Okay, next outfit. And I don't know what this is called because I had it in the wrong box, so I'm not really sure what it's called. This is the Molly skating outfit. It comes with a jacket and beautiful skirt. A beautiful weird name. It's very cute. You could just put it over a white t-shirt for your American Girl doll if you need like an undershirt or something. And then I have striped school dress. Looks like this.
No, he's just a friend. Just a friend. You like him. Myra. Okay, bye. I like it. I like
What does it say? What does it say? Look right now.
Okay,
You're
so
horrible.
this
I'm leaving you now.
is the Julie's casual outfit. It has these shoes. No place like the country. No place like the country. These look like cowboy boots. They don't really look like 70 boots, I guess. They got these hippie outfits. Okay. Looks like that. I know I have some more, like Kanani's pajamas and the campus casual.
What?
These are Kanani's PJs, pajamas,
Hello?
and this are the campus casual outfit. It does not come with these socks. These come with Molly. Whee!
Mm-hmm.
And here's my shoes that I got. These are from Santa, I think. So they're little moccasins.
Or you just eat it?
I'm gonna put the shoes in one basket. And I'm not showing you the charms because I just don't think it really matters.
How come you
These
didn't
come
make
with
it
Molly.
here?
Woo! And then the last shoes
So what do you put it on?
are the sneakers
What do
that
you put it
come
on?
with the campus
Okay.
casual outfit. And I'm so happy that I finally got sneakers for my doll. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, just kidding.
Uh-huh. Yeah. That's like 10.
Wait.
You have to break them in half. Okay,
There's
bye.
no place like the skateboarding place.
Well,
Okay.
Lily would have liked it. She likes garlic. She's
Put all
eating right
these
now
in
macaroni
there.
and cheese and stuff. And that big tea. There was any tea?
If you can hear my grandma in the background,
Okay. Alright, bye.
what she's talking about as the big Arizona tea is this. Not like a whole jug or nothing. And what she said I'm eating is food.
It's cute. I'm mad at you because you wouldn't tell me what this said.
Okay, that's just random. So, where's the mouse go? Okay, found it. Right here. So, that's my video. Peace out. And have a great American Girl Christmas.